Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to select who can view your story in Facebook Messenger. Go to the Facebook Messenger from your apps list. Tap on your story. Tap on the three dot from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap on Story Settings. From here, you can decide who can see your story. If you want anyone on Messenger and Facebook can see your story, then tap on Public. If you want only friends and their friends can see your story, then select Friends and Connections. If you want only your Facebook friends will see your story, then tap on Friends Only. Or you can choose who can see your story from Custom. From your friend list, select the person whom you want to see your story. Then tap on Apply. Now, beside these two persons, no one can see your story. After selecting the option, tap on Save from the top right corner. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on Save. So, in this way, you can select who can view your story in Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.